Alright, also continuing the trend of Evolve Lab plugins or Chaos plugins, whatever you want to call them right now, we're going to do Helix. So we're going to need to check our installer to just make sure that their quiet commands aren't any different. Looks like they use the same ones, quiet, no restart. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to go properties, get the name. We're going to go into our previous PowerShell, change the MSI name because everything else is the same. So we're going to save that. Go ahead and rename this Helix. And we are going to run the Helix PowerShell script. Let that install go. Again, another really small one here, 25 meg install. And again, Helix is a file converter that helps use in SketchUp or Revit, convert files, things like that. So we're going to give that a minute. And we will bring up our registry. So that already looks like it's done. So we're going to see if this is Chaos Helix. So we have found our uninstall script. Again, this is a 32-bit app, looks like, because it's under the 32-bit part. So we're going to go and package up our file. You're okay. You can hear my dog. Sorry, he might get loud. So this shouldn't take long at all, clearly, because it's 25 megs. So we have that. So we have everything we need. So it's that simple. So we have our key. We're going to come in here. We're going to start creating another app. So let's see. Yep. All right. So I've started renaming my apps to include Chaos in the name. So we're going to close that. We're going to go select our file. So we got Helix. So Chaos. Our app version, you can pull that from here. So we got that. And we'll use that again later, but for now, we will grab our screenshot of the logo. And I still have this open just because sometimes, you know, the browser remembers, other times it doesn't. So we're going to go in and do Helix. As you can see from our registry, we have an uninstall string. One thing you see here is an I. That was wrong. That was coded wrong. That should be an X for uninstall. So change that. If you ever see it not an X, change it to an X. That's just how MSI scripting works. So we're going to use our registry. We're going to grab our file path for the registry key, or I should say our registry path. We're going to look at displayversion. We're going to say string comparison. We're going to say equals. This is that same version we put in before. So we got that. Dependencies, supersedence, assignments. Again, available for enrolled devices means anybody can install it from company portal or for users. So we're going to go ahead and create it. And this is another quick one. It'll upload really quick because again this is 25 megs, shouldn't take long at all, and within a few minutes it'll be available to your users. So happy Intuning.